Welcome to Create a Role Hierarchy. In this unit, we'll dive into the world of role hierarchies in Salesforce. By the end of this session, you'll understand how to structure role hierarchies to streamline access to your Salesforce data. Let's start by clarifying how a role hierarchy differs from an organizational chart and how it plays a pivotal role in controlling data access. A role hierarchy collaborates with sharing settings to define the levels of access users have to Salesforce data. Think of it as a dynamic structure that ensures users can access the data of all users directly below them in the hierarchy. But here's the kicker: role hierarchies don't have to align with your organizational chart. Each role represents a level of data access, and we can strategically group users based on their access needs. Now let's delve into creating and editing roles in Salesforce. Roles are instrumental in determining visibility levels. A manager will always have access to the same data as their employees, irrespective of org-wide default settings. Depending on your sharing settings, roles control the visibility users have into your Salesforce data. Users at a specific role level can view, edit, and report on data owned by or shared with users below them in the hierarchy. From the CEO to managers, the role hierarchy dynamically grants record-level permissions, allowing specific actions based on the user's position in the hierarchy. Fantastic! You've mastered the art of creating a role hierarchy. In our next unit, we'll explore advanced strategies for optimizing data access in Salesforce. From Setup, enter Roles. In the Quick Find box, select Roles. If an introductory splash page called Understanding Roles appears, skip to the actual tool by clicking Set Up Roles at the bottom. The default view is the tree view, as indicated in the drop-down list on the far right side of the role hierarchy title bar. When creating a role hierarchy, we'll use the tree view. Just below the company name, e.g. TwinForce Solutions, click on Edit. Here we have already created a CEO hierarchy. Role name is CEO. There is also an option role reports to. You can customize as per you company need. So CEO, you can design role hierarchy one after another. A tree view of the role hierarchy will be showed like this. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more Salesforce adventures. Happy automating!